Have you ever downloaded a file expecting a full video, only to end up with a black screen and sound? Or maybe you tried saving storage on your phone and wondered why your music files were so large. The answer comes down to three tiny letters at the end of your file name. MP4 versus M4A. Understanding this quick difference instantly fixes your broken media and saves your phone's memory. An MP4 is a universal media container designed to hold both video and audio data simultaneously. It packages video streams, audio tracks, and even subtitles into one single file. An M4A is an audio-focused container format popularized by Apple. It uses the exact same underlying MPEG-4 architecture as MP4, but is strictly dedicated to storing high-quality audio streams without any video. MP4 uses heavy video codecs like H.264 alongside audio codecs like AAC. M4A isolates the AAC audio codec to deliver clear sound with low bit rates. In plain English, that means MP4 processes millions of moving pixels plus sound, whereas M4A only processes sound. Imagine a luggage suitcase. An MP4 is a large check-in suitcase packed with both clothes and shoes. An M4A is a small shoe bag created solely to carry footwear. For example, if you record a 10-minute video lecture, an MP4 file keeps the presenter's video synchronized with their voice. But if you convert that file to an M4A audio file, you strip away the video footage, keeping only the voice track. Knowing the difference saves time, effort, and storage. Both formats are free to use. However, M4A saves financial costs by reducing cloud storage fees because its file sizes are much smaller than MP4 files. MP4 runs effortlessly on almost every device, smart TV, and website. M4A works seamlessly across Apple devices. Though older media players occasionally require software updates to play it, both formats are completely safe and widely standardized. Choose MP4 for YouTube uploads, movies, or video calls. Choose M4A for podcasts, music, and voice notes where video is unnecessary. Remember this simple rule. MP4 is for picture and phone audio, while M4A is for music and audio alone.
Simply click the link below to learn more.